Warren Percy. Huh? Peace out. Ako mag-edit eh. Ayan na. Single lens ang gamitin. Kasi nakakapagod mag-edit. Ayan guys. Nandito tayo sa Warren Percy. Maganda ang paligid at ang panahon. Maganda ang weather today. This is a deserted village. Ang village na naglaho na siya ba? Naglaho. Parang bula. Ayan. Open the gate. Darating na ang Rhina. Hala ka. Squish, squish, squish. Ayan. Ganito yung gate dito. Ano? Kailangan nating squish, squish, squish. Ayan, malayo-layo natin lalakarin.
Everybody keeps talking to us. Must be famous. Huh?
Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello to my vlog.
Hello.
Hello. Shout out. Shout out everyone. Ayan guys. Marami din na pumupunta dito. Itong bridge Oh, video the bridge. I cannot get out now. Cannot get in. Thank you. Ayan, dito tayo. May gate talaga yan guys. Kasi may mga karnero din dito, mga baka makaalis sa gate. Ayan, maganda na ang paligid dito sa Warren Percy. Ayan, punta tayo dito sa bundok-bundok galante. Ayan, may tubig din dito. There's a water here. Water. Ayan ang bulaklak na muti-puti na. Marami ditong bulaklak. Ayan guys, ang paligid. Blue sky today. Blue sky. Off ko muna ay. Blue sky.
Blue sky? What's a blue sky?
Kira Hello, let's Google. Ito yung mga ano bahay, oh. May marking siya. Mga ano to? Ano to nga ano tong site na to? Pasilungan, skanding ito, baka. Siguro. Ayan guys, ang ating pamamasyal today at Warram Village, deserted village.
18th century.
Don't climb on it, it will break.
Mum, listen, I'm close, but I can't read it.
See if you can read it.
Read it now.
I already know that we're here.
Hmm?
I'm reading it in my mind.
And John Hertz directed excavations and research in this
40
deserted
years.
village. A project initiated in support from the Medieval Village Research Group.
Oh my Lord.
This way, we're walking around the front of the farm here.
What the heck can you read? Read it.
That is a haunted farm. If it's really a haunted farm, we should go in then. Prove that it's haunted, go on and prove it. Prove
Prove it.
that it's haunted.
Maybe if we take a picture, like, see if we can come back here at night on Halloween.
Halloween party.
I can already see his bloodstains on the window. I wonder what this used to be. What this used to
It
be.
was where they used to keep the animals.
Oh, it's stable this one.
What?
Stable.
Stable.
Where they keep the animals there. Stable is one area. Ayan guys. Pasilungan ng baka o karniro. Dito nila ilagay yung mga baka, karniro.
Yeah, look, there's a little part of us remains of the building here. We can work it out. So this would have been possibly a chimney. What?
This one.
Oh, this is.
Dito tayo sa ano, likod naman. Mga remains na lang to. The excavated before 40 years. My gosh. 40 years nilang pagkalkal dito. Marami siguro artifacts yun eh. I think nasa museum na yung mga artifacts nito. Dami siguro mga coins dito. Lots of coins. Mayroon pa dito mga artifacts siguro. Hindi pa to na dig lahat. Mayroon pa dito mga remains. Ayan guys. Ang Warram Percy Village. Deserted. Anong nangyari sa kanila? Anong nangyari sa kanila? Yan ang aabangan natin.
So what would have been a doorway?
Yeah.
That was the entrance. And then there's another entrance there. That would have gone to a step, wouldn't it?
This one,
I'm gonna walk down it.
kitchen, tank.
How thick the walls would have been here, though.
The wall is thick.
Where the walls would have been made out of big, thick blocks of stone.
Could be cold on winter. Ayan guys, layo na rin ang ating nalalakbay. Dito naman tayo sa simbahan. Sa simbahan na tayo. Take a picture of this church. Ay, open na ganyan dire. Open ang church. Ayan guys, open ang church ngayon. Ayan oh. Before I open pala ito palagi. Ayan ang church. St. Martin's Church. Ayan guys, St. Martin Church pala to. St. Martin Church. St. Martin Church. Yeah, it's one of the most thoroughly studied parish churches in England. Ayan guys. Ayan mga ang design. Piece 1. Mayroon din palang piece 1, piece 2, piece 3. Ayan ang harap. Harap.